Alright, it's Tuesday, y'all. Here we go. I'm going to give you a few tips for like making circles that look good. Now, you could take something just like this right here, like an old candle or something like that. And you take your candle and you hold it on there. And you take your pen and you come around. Just like that. Sweet. And clean up any little bits. Cool. There's one circle. Now, if you need a bigger circle, you could use, say like a Polar Pop cut. That would be sweet. Man, I miss me some Polar Pops. I need a Polar Pop. So we need to have two circles. One hopefully smaller, one bigger. You could use the cap of a marker, circle that. That's going to be really small. Now remember with the angles, do your best. I know, a lot of you might not have a protractor at home, so I totally understand. Now to show you how to do the 1-inch border, I'm going to go ahead and pull my camera up here closer so you guys can see how I use a ruler to do that. Hopefully you have a ruler. If you don't, hey, give it your best shot. All right, I'm going to pull that up real quick. All right, so you guys can see my ruler here. And the way you do it, you put your ruler at the edge of your paper right here, and then where the 1 is, you just put a little dot. And then you go a little further up. Oh, too far. And then you put another little dot. And then you go down, and you put another little dot where the 1 is. And then another little dot where the 1 is. And then you line up your ruler with all those dots. And boom, you got a somewhat straight line. Here. There you go. It was straight until then. All right, perfect. So that's how you do it. You just cruise around the whole edge of your paper, put dots where your 1 is, dot, 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 and then you go around the top and you go dot, dot, and then you're going to connect those dots also. So you should have a border around your page. When you're all done, that's going to look, you'll erase these extra lines and it'll just look like a perfect edge around all of those papers. And you saw that in hopefully the pictures you saw yesterday. All right, cool. All right, so that's how you get your border set up. 1 inches all the way around, or 1 inch all the way around. That's how we can make some circles. Basically the rest is up to you guys. Like whatever you feel like. You love the Dodgers, do a baseball stadium, do a baseball field. I've had kids do that in the past. If you love football, do a football stadium. If you love video games, do a video game scene. I've had people do Star Wars before. I'll add a few more examples to today's, but today you guys should start drawing this out. It should take you a little while. Like you should put some effort into this thing. Use those rulers to help draw your lines. Because you should have some type of lines that are parallel, you should have some intersecting lines maybe running through those parallel lines. Look, I just made my parallel lines into an intersecting line. Now, to make it perpendicular, I'd have to draw perfect, close, not quite, but we want there to be 90-degree angles in those corners where those lines meet. You'll see some examples. I'm gonna give you some more examples today. Hopefully just fire up the creative juices. Now tomorrow, Wednesday, we won't have a video because you guys are going to keep working on this project. Thursday, we're going to keep working on this project. And then Friday, I'm going to have a video showing you guys either how to send it to me in the Google Classroom, or how you guys can do it and take a picture of it and have your parents just email it straight to Mrs. Phillips or myself. All right, cool. I will see you for math on Friday.